What is up, team? Chuck with Traders Boardroom, and I'm back at you with another video. Guys, this is your daily video, and I got a great one for you. But real quick, I need you to hit that like, share, and subscribe button because I need you to come along with me on a journey. And check that description tab out because I got the links to all the Traders Boardroom products and services right there at your fingertips. And definitely stay to the end of the video because I got more in-depth information on our sustaining and upcoming products and services. We're doing that at the end of the video instead of at the beginning of the video now because I want to hop right into it and get you guys the good stuff. So without further ado, man, I got a great video for you. If you're ready, you just follow me and the other TWR market warriors. Let's go out there and make that money, okay? When that market bell rings, we out there attacking, conquering, destroying.
Traders War Room, we locked and loaded. Stocks, I'm on it.
Hey, you know I'm on that though, man.
Y'all, come join it. In the Traders War Room, warring with the market every day. We on Zoom. Never gonna quit, ain't no way we gonna lose.
I'm using my AI chat for the narrative of the video. Don't worry, it's my voice, but embedded with software. It assists keeping thoughts clear and concise, without rambling on. As a reminder, stay until the end of the video to see the hottest products and services that Traders War Room has available. Now let's get into the top stock picks for tomorrow and closing out this week. We are almost done with this week of earnings, and the general consensus is that it's been one of the weaker performance weeks in a long time. It's not that stocks aren't performing in line with expectations, but rather they're not exceeding expectations, potentially showing top-line weakness and overall economic slowdown. Skepticism is also growing around the payoff from heavy investments into artificial intelligence. Earnings growth at the technology heavyweights is projected to have slowed sharply in the third quarter from the previous 3 months. So big whales out there are navigating very cautiously. All one needs to do is look at some of these stocks to know that we aren't as confident in the returns long-term as we were previous quarters. With a couple giants left in the game, will it be enough to give big money investors confidence to remain bullish on the market? Lucky for you, TWR is prepared to attack the market no matter what direction it goes. We're out there grinding, so you don't have to. That's why TWR wants you on the team. Join today and quit wasting your time and money on junk. Now with that said, let's get ready for battle and go make some money. Let's talk about Reddit real quick. They had earnings after hours yesterday and absolutely destroyed them. And we had continuation all throughout today. So this will be on high alert for a potential pivot move. If we start to see weakness, we're gonna go ahead and play the short side of the house because it had such an explosive move very quickly. Real quick, I want to highlight one of our exclusive analysts who absolutely nailed this trade. Stock Sniper, who is an exclusive analyst on Traders War Room, which means you won't find him anywhere else other than on our server. But he gave you this trade yesterday as a swing trade. He called out the $100 call out until mid-November, and the entry was $190. As you can see from the stat sheet, the lowest this thing ran today was $1,100 with a height of over $1,900. That's easily over $1,500 profit per contract and over 800% of a move. Another stock that started off good was Google after a very excellent earnings report after hours yesterday. It started to sell off with the rest of the market towards the end of the day, but we were able to capture a great trade for almost 100% off of the swing. This will be another stock we pay attention to close out the week, as we should be able to see some volatility come back into this name if the market grabs a little momentum. Here was the trade that I pushed out. I went ahead and got into the $190 calls mid-November, and I was able to peel out at the beginning of the market for almost 100%. Another stock that performed really well on a swing trade that we alerted was Visa, and we need to keep this one on the radar for continuation, closing out the week. Here is the trade. I alerted on the server, and you can see this absolutely smashed it. So I pushed this idea out for free, and it was the $300 call pushed into November 15th, and we wanted to get the entry at about $150. As you can see, this thing at the bell popped way above $350, hitting greater than 100% return on investment. But even if you missed the bell move, this thing stayed practically above our entry the remainder of the day. So absolutely no excuse not to make money on this trade. Now let's get to business on some trades to close out this week strong and potentially have continuation into the beginning of November. I will be watching Uber. I am a big fan on Uber, and even if we slide off of the earnings report in the morning, I will be looking to pick up some calls pushed out into mid-November or further. My preferred trade would be to pick up this $85 call somewhere between $125 and $150. Depending on the move that we see, I would even be okay with an entry at $200. I wouldn't even mind the $100 call if we get decent earnings, but I would want to make sure that we pushed out until the new year. Another stock that has piqued my interest is Peloton. I mean, when you look at the stock, you can tell it's breaking out from its year-to-date chart. This has really struggled over the past few years, but you're seeing a trend where stocks have hit that enough is enough level, and they're starting to rebound from support pivots. So I'm looking at the $7 call pushed out until November 15th, but I would also be interested in the $8 call for a similar price pushed out until the new year. Another one that has my interest is SiriusXM. Analysts are citing this as underperform, but I'm going to go on a limb and say that they surprise. But for this, I want to do a hedging type of play. So I will look at the $30 call into mid-November, but also play a lotto on the $27 putt on the week. The intent in doing a trade like this is one of the trades dramatically outperforms the other, thus countering the hedge trade and eclipsing that with the profitable trade. Probably one of the more risky trades would be on MasterCard. This would be a true lotto, and we would only go in for a light position. The $540 call pushed until mid-November. Seems like it could get the job done. It's a little more expensive than some of the other trades I highlight, so suggestion would be to go into this position lighter than normal. Finally, going to get into the big boys. Amazon is one of the most anticipated trades of the week, and I like to move to the upside. Now this is a big boy trade, but I'm looking at that $200 call mid-November, and I would love to be able to get this on a discount, but it does seem like it's priced pretty decent given the amount of time that we're buying. Now finally we got the general. With Apple you have to be a bull on earnings. There's also a correlation if you're into those type of things, that whenever Microsoft struggles off of earnings, Apple absolutely explodes. Not sure if that is true or not, but I'm gonna roll with that idea. I want that $240 call push them into mid-November. This is right in the price range of the expected move, so I want to spend a little extra money and buy some time so that we can wade choppy waters. I'm gonna give you one extra. I want to go long on BA. This news and competition with Airbus has me interested, and I think big money is on that same sheet of music. So I believe the $170 call mid-November is just the right move and enough time to make us some killer profit. Now let's check out some of our products and services that we provide. Join TWR Premium. I give you good for free, but great. You know, that real-time entry and exit alerts, the on-demand access to professionals, live trading and classes, not to mention all of the data flow, algorithms, and the TA and DD bots. You need to join Premium. Currently, we are at Tier 6 for Premium Access. You get everything we offer for only $65 per month. We are miles ahead of our peers. They charge you double, but give you less than half of what we have. Not to mention that TWR is a real one-stop shop. We don't just play trader. We do this for a living. We pay our bills through trading and investing. We also have a one-week special for only $10. This is perfect if you are on the fence, or you just want to try TWR without a significant commitment. This deal is limited and closes at the end of October. Also, you can only use this once, so use it wisely. And make sure you come ready to bank. You can also find our mentorship at the storefront, and you can book sessions right there on the shop. It's very easy, and we do offer deals for follow-up sessions. Up at the top is the push button for the mentorship channel. Just click your enter and book session. Press the add to cart. A shopping cart will pop up with your purchase item number identified. Once you click, it'll take you into the payment processing area. Choose the method you want to use for payment, and if we offer special codes, you can place them here to save some money. Please don't forget to read the description so that you have all the information. This also has a link to our published terms of service and standards of operation. After everything is confirmed and purchase is verified, you'll receive an automated email with instructions on how to book the time and date of your session. Please ensure that you have a good working email, and please remember to check your spam or junk folder, depending on your security parameters. Read the email, follow the steps, and it's that easy. You'll be up and running, and your session will be booked and ready to execute in no time. That's all I have for you. Remember, scared money doesn't make money. You must be calm, cool, and collected with your trade in market. You need to have a plan and a strategy for both entrance and exit, and also adapting to the battlefield. Stay focused on your goals, and don't let yourself stray off your trading journey. If you do, make sure you recover and get back in the fight. Now if you're ready, follow me. Let's go to war together. Thank you. Don't forget to check the description for our links, and I'll see you when that bell rings.
In the traders war room, warring with the market every day we on Zoom. Never gonna quit, ain't no way we gonna lose. I done made a profit and it's way before noon. Way to go, dude, come and learn how to trade stocks.